With much of the country still caught in the heat wave of summer, lighter yet nutritional meal options are the way to go. Today on Conscious Cooking, Anuradha puts together a delicious Indo-Chinese dish, the veg chow mein, which offers an interesting blend of color and flavors.
Namaste, Hare Krishna, and welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. Today we are taking our influence from Southeast Asia with the Chinese chow mein, a very simple and very quick and delicious healthy preparation. So to make this healthy and delicious prep, we're going to use egg-free rice noodles. We will need oil, some hing or asafoetida, ground ginger, salt, sesame seeds, and the distinctive flavor of soy sauce. And we have a lovely selection of julienne vegetables that we're going to be using in our stir fry. We have manchow, baby corn, red pepper, some cauliflower and broccoli, some carrot, and some shredded cabbage. So we will begin by adding very hot water to our noodles and soaking them for a few minutes. And while our noodles are soaking in that hot water, just make sure it's completely submerged. We'll start with the stir frying of all our vegetables. So we add in some oil. I'm using ordinary sunflower oil, but you can also use peanut oil. And to this oil, we're going to add some asafoetida to remove any of the gaseous aspects of all these lovely vegetables that we're going to be using, and a lot of lovely shredded ginger. And we're going to give that all a good stir and let it heat up and let these flavors infuse in this oil. And as it all sizzles in quite nicely, we're going to start adding in all our different vegetables, and we can actually put it all in because a chow mein stir fry is a very quick stir fry, and our vegetables should still be quite whole and not overcooked, so that there's quite a nice bite to the dish when we are eating it. So we'll stir fry this very quickly, very lightly, adding a little bit of salt to season. And you'll see how lovely and colorful these vegetables look. And while that's stir frying, let's just give our noodles a little bit of a stir as well, and you'll see it's absorbing the water quite nicely. It's softening up, and it's almost ready to use. Okay, I'm very happy that the vegetables still have a good crunch to them. And I'm now going to add in my rice noodles. You can see how easily, how quickly everything works with the chow mein. And I'm going to take the noodles. You can drain it, but I also like adding a little bit of this water to our dish so that it lightly cooks the vegetables. So I'm now going to take this noodle and add it to the chow mein with a little bit of the hot water that we soaked it in. And let's just quickly stir and mix up all those vegetables with these healthy noodles. And as you can see, it's all being done on a very high heat. So that's why we work quickly. And we're going to add a little bit more seasoning now with some salt again, now that we've added the noodles. And we're going to finish it off with a really good soy sauce. And give that all a stir again. And the chow mein is all ready. That's how quick, easy and delicious it is. And we're now ready to plate our simple, delicious chow mein in an authentic bamboo bowl. Let's try and get as much of those healthy vegetables in there. It's looking so delicious. And we will garnish with a little bit of coriander, because I like coriander, and some authentic sesame seeds. And we will serve it with our chopsticks.